How to fix Facebook temporary blocked error. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if your Facebook is temporarily blocked from posting anything on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started. Before we start, we have to understand that why we may get such kind of error on Facebook account. That is because when you do some kind of suspicious activities on the Facebook repeatedly, or if you perform any spamming activities, then Facebook might block your account. So in that case, what you can do is first option is to wait it out. Most of the temporary blocks last from a few hours up to 30 days. So the best solution is patience. Don't try to bypass it immediately as it might prolong the block. So wait for a few hours to 30 days and after that Facebook might lift your block. And if that still does not work out for you, and if your account is not unlocked even if you wait for such a long period of time, then the second option is to contact your Facebook support. For that, launch the Facebook application and make sure that you're already signed in with your account. Now to report a problem, navigate to top right corner and tap on your profile with the three-line icon. That's gonna take you to your menu page. Here you have to scroll down a bit and then tap on help and support. Under help and support, you will have an option as report a problem. Tap on it. Here you can scroll down a bit. Here tap on continue to report a problem. Here it says include complete logs and diagnose in your report. If you want that, tap on include. If not, tap on do not include. So once you land on this page, here it says select product. So you can scroll down from here and then what you can do is search for an option that says account. If you cannot find it, then you can simply go with your profile. So tap on it. Now once you're here, you will land on this page where you can describe the issues. Here you can add a description saying that your Facebook account might have been blocked mistakenly. Here you have to keep your issue or message clear, polite, and provide any of the proof if needed, like screenshot or explanations. So once you're done with that, tap on send at the top right corner. After that, Facebook will review your request and will help to resolve your issue. So you have to wait for a reply from Facebook, which can take up to days or weeks. After that, once you have the instructions from Facebook, make sure to follow all of the instructions as provided, and that may help you resolve your problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.